Why does your scanner show the P2026 engine code? What does it mean? P2026 is a diagnostic trouble code for evaporative emissions EVAP fuel vapor temperature sensor circuit low. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected that the voltage from this sensor is below the manufacturer's specified limits. The sensor monitors fuel temperature within the fuel tank. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel tank temperature sensor, wiring issues, PCM issues, EVAP system problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.